Good evening, dreamers. It is Wednesday, and I am actually very excited to be making this video for you all. I am hoping that you all have gotten the opportunity to check the Dreamers page, or to check the Divas page, or to check your email from this afternoon and learn about, even check 31 today and learn about the big reveal that has been kept secret up until this afternoon from home office. So if for whatever reason you have not been able to check any of those avenues, I will let you know that 31 is surprising us at the end of this month, April 27th through the 29th, with a spring sale. So this is going to be somewhat familiar for those of us who have been with 31 for a while, for the flash sales that we are accustomed to. And one of the things that I love that they're doing is that they are calling it a different name, because I think that everybody is starting to get very accustomed, not just from 31, but from retail stores nationwide running flash sales. So I think it is very smart and a very smart marketing move for 31 to call it something different and focus on it being a spring sale as opposed to a flash sale. But there really is not going to be much difference. It's just a total difference in the name. So this is extremely, extremely exciting for what has become, for most of us, a somewhat tough month. April has not been the easiest due to the fact that we are finishing up a 45-day customer special. Customers are kind of starting to lose focus on that. Spring sports have started, so you all are finding that you're having a little trouble getting parties booked because people are so entirely and incredibly busy with all of the spring sport activities that are going on. And so honestly, this could not come at a better time. And I want you all to make sure that you are taking 150% advantage of this. So if you had the chance to read the announcement on Tot today, they are going to be giving more information and more FAQs out starting on Friday, and actually giving really great tips and suggestions on how to best utilize a spring sale and to make the most of it. And I will tell you that there is quite a bit of secrecy into making sure that it works to your best advantage. And this is going to work for everybody, regardless of how long you've been with the company. So I'm going to be doing some trainings myself over the next several days into next week as well, to offer some suggestions and ideas that you can do to utilize this spring sale to the fullest. I can honestly tell you that the past several flash sales, outlet sales that we've had, I have gotten almost $1,000 in personal volume just from the outlet sales or flash sales or whatever they want to call the sales at that particular time. And the great thing is this counts towards your personal volume for the month, and you also get commissions on it. So it's extremely, extremely exciting and extremely important to make sure that you're using all the avenues possible to ensure great success with your upcoming spring sale and with your customers, and to once again get them excited about 31 and get them engaged right into May with our fantastic large utility tote and large utility tote insert customer special that we've started on May 1st. So be on the lookout for lots of information from 31, even more information from me, and we are absolutely going to rock out the end of April with amazing sales and amazing spring sales, and then use that as a catapult to start getting May and June booked on our calendars. So I also want to make sure that I do some recognition today for a couple of our teammates who have done an incredible job so far in the month of April. The first person I want to recognize is Shannon Savasco. She not only just joined our team at the end of March, but she had her launch party. She had $1,000 in sales from her launch party, so she has qualified her business. She already has bookings on her calendar moving forward, and she has already earned the challenge that I put forth for the month of April. So I'm hoping that you guys all had a chance to listen to my video regarding that, or to see the graphic that I posted regarding that as well. So you all have the opportunity to take advantage of that through the end of April as well. And the spring sale is going to help ensure that this makes it a whole lot easier for you. And then, of course, the other person that I want to recognize is Christy Bray. She is on fire. I'm telling you, she's absolutely on fire. She, of course, is already qualified. She qualified last month as a brand new consultant as well. But so far for this month already, she has submitted almost $800 in sales from her party that she had earlier this month. So again, she has almost re-qualified herself, which is part of the challenge that I put forth for April. So I am incredibly proud of her. And then, of course, I want to recognize Emily Trogdon. She is new with us as well. She qualified her business last month to earn her $99 rebate as well. But so far for this month, she's already submitted over $200 in sales. She booked a party for May already, and she's in the process of talking with someone who is very interested in joining her team. So there are so many exciting things going on, and I just know that it's going to catapult after this spring sale and just get us moving in the direction that we absolutely need to be going in starting in the month of May. So, like I said, be on the lookout for everything. You guys are doing amazing, and I am so proud of all the efforts that everybody has put forth. Keep up the fantastic work, and look forward to seeing a lot of me over the next week, because we are going to make sure that this spring sale is the best of the entire company. We're going to be the best team of the entire company. So best of luck. And like I said, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. But I can't encourage you enough to check out the FAQs on 31today.com once they come out on Friday. Okay, so thanks everybody, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Have a good night. Bye-bye.